Hey, Dean and Michelle, just wanted to go over the revised design with you. Let's see, got this page, which is the color renderings and the floor plan and the color elevations. If I actually go into the project, I'm going to take a look at the floor plan. I moved the garage doors to the left side of the garage, doing an 11'5" addition to the left side of the house. Two single garage doors. Let me know if you would want that to be one large garage door. And then I went off the back just to square off the corner because you said you were in dire need of storage space. I bumped it in on this little end, on this end over here, just to give you more clearance with the door swinging open so it's not as tight. The only other way to get around that would be to widen the garage towards the front of the house. But I wasn't sure if that was something you were willing to do. Right now, the interior of your garage is 18 feet 5 wide. A normal two-car garage is 20 by 20. So I have 18.5 by about 21.10. And over here I have 20 feet wide. So let me know if you want to go 20, if you want to go bump out on the front also. Okay, I just had to take a look at something to compare some notes. So I added a single front window to the each garage where the former garage doors were. And then when you go into the house, taking down the beam between the kitchen and the dining room, I'm thinking you would have more more countertop space and storage with a peninsula here. And then have the peninsula as a 36-inch countertop. Not the standard 40, whatever a bar top counter is. I've always felt that those are uncomfortable to sit at with bar stools. So this would be a 36-inch standard countertop with a cantilevered counter off the end. So you could have a breakfast area here looking into the kitchen. And also, since you're going to be losing that peninsula that you have over here, you'll be maintaining it over here. And also, if you actually, you didn't have a peninsula over here, but you had a lot of cabinet space over here. So when we take that wall down, you won't be technically losing that cabinet space. You'll only be losing the wall cabinet space. So extending the cabinets over with the refrigerator. And then I have the sliding glass door pushed down a little bit. And then this is a possible layout I have for the living room. Usually I like to show a little bit of furniture as a suggested layout. So that when you go in through your front door, this is kind of like your corridor to get to the rear of the house and to get to the kitchen. You don't want to put the sofa up against the stairwell wall because then you're always walking in front of the sofa. If anyone's ever watching TV and there's like a traffic flow going in between the TV and the sofa, that can really drive people crazy. So this is just a suggested layout. You can push this furniture back against the wall if you want. Just let me know what you're thinking as far as your layout of furniture that you're thinking. I put a single front entry door with a 12-inch side light on each side, and I have I believe I did a barrel vault on the front porch. Let me see what I did on the front porch. Okay, so yes, this is the barrel vault on the front porch. Right in here, it'll have a beadboard surface on the top surface. And then looking at the side, this is the garage doors. We could also do a side entry door. Wasn't sure if it was something you wanted, a 2'8" garden entry door. The only thing is that it's going to take away from some of the space that I've got dedicated for this closet. I would have to move this closet wall back and put a door here, or I could put a door back here with like a corridor here, and then take this wall and shoot it down like this, and then have a door back here going to the rear yard. So these are all just options, just brainstorming here a little bit. Let me know what you think of the layout so far. I think this covers everything as far as the design. And then I mentioned I wasn't sure if we really needed to legalize the basement, but I forgot we were taking all these bearing walls down. It's going to require putting a post in the wall here, which is not a big deal, but then a post here and a post here, and those need to be supported down in the basement with posts then down here on each side of the stairwell. And that's something that the building inspector is going to have to go downstairs to take a look at during his inspection. So once he goes downstairs, he's going to see the finished basement, and he's going to tell you that that needs to be legalized. So that's why we're definitely going to have to legalize the basement. All right. Give me some feedback. Let me know what you think. Thank you.